Hello, hello. Happy Sunday.
Hello, happy Sunday.
Sunday before Easter.
Yeah, it
It is. It's Sunday before Easter. So we have a DIY project. We're going to make a centerpiece for our Easter table. And we're using this beautiful, what is it?
It is the green petal bowl.
Is it Indian?
Yes.
Indiana or
Indiana glass.
Indiana
glass. And it's the green petal. And we think it's like a poppy because of the petals, how they come out like this in the inside of it. So it is called the green petal bowl by Indiana glass.
We found this in Goodwill last week, I believe.
Yeah.
It might have been on your
No,
haul.
we found this at Second Ave Thrift.
Oh, Second Up Thrift. That's right, Second Up Thrift.
They were having a sale.
Yes, they were having a sale. So yeah,
And Shane loves to do crafts, so this is right up her alley.
I do.
I
So,
tried, and we'll put the before picture in there.
yeah.
And
Which
I'm not crafty.
it really wasn't that bad. It was. I thought it was really cute, but you couldn't really see the bowl very much, and we really liked the bowl. We kind of want it to be, a big part of the piece, and it kind of like just overshadowed it. So,
Yeah.
hopefully this one will come out a little bit, spotlight the bowl a little bit. We'll see. I don't know. I haven't done this before. This is not something I've done before, so we're gonna give it a try. This is something that Revive It Mom suggested we do. So what we're gonna do is actually plant our daffodils and tulips into this.
Live plants.
Live plants. We're gonna have live plants. I have a piece of wax paper that we're just gonna line it with a little bit. So I just made to cut the wax paper big enough to fit in here. Maybe I'll use my scissors to just cut around. I'm so happy that you're all trying this with me. Or here to see my success or failure, so to speak. But if it comes out the way we hope, it'll be nice. It'll be really nice.
And then we'll also show it on our sale that we're having with Dee from Thrill of the Thrift on Wednesday, April 5th at 5 o'clock. So we're really excited about being on that, and we'll show this on that show if it comes out good. All right, so what are we doing now?
So Mom is taking some of the daffodils out of the pot.
And we recommend you use like a tablecloth. I don't know if you can see it, but we have a tablecloth down.
Maybe this one, Mom. This one's good.
Where?
Is that one good?
We were taking the flowers apart.
That one's good. Yeah.
So
So
you hold that?
yeah, you want to hold that? Okay. So we got that. And I do have some more dirt in the closet. I can go grab if I need some more dirt. It's a little messy. So we have these, right? And then we're gonna take out the tulips, and hopefully we can take some dirt from the tulip pot. So, thanks to Mom being here. Can you get it out? Oh, there we go.
Ooh, they are really pot bound.
There's pot bound.
They can't wait to get out of that pot.
There's one. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need to get that dirt from the You got it, Mom?
Oh, Finley.
Is Finley in the dirt, or is he in the tulip? Is he in the tulip? All right, let's bring this into focus, into the screen. So you can see. All right, so we're taking those apart. glasses on so I can see. All right, so just want to make sure dirt does not. Really don't want the dirt in the pot too much. It's not going to hurt it. We wash it. We can wash it out and then you can use it for whatever you like. Because this pot, this will be up for sale eventually.
Yeah. And then you can say you bought the pot that the Reviveitsisters did a project in. And one day when we're famous,
Yes, when we're Instagram, YouTube famous, whatnot famous, whatever kind of famous we might be. All right.
not that we're looking to become famous.
No, famous is not why we're doing this at all.
We're not doing this.
I'm not really a famous person. I just like to.
We're just having fun.
Alright, so you don't need too much dirt because they're not going to stay in here for much longer than
This
after
is going to
Easter.
cover the roots.
Yeah. Alright, so then we're going to take some tulips.
Inlay.
Tulips in there. Again, I have no idea how this is going to come out, but we are going to try it together. Yeah. What am I talking about enough for you folks? Because I don't always talk so loud. And tulips happen to be, and daffodils happen to be one of my favorite flowers. Really like tulips. More. More. Round circles. Oh, we got one here. I like the daffodils in here.
Yeah.
Hold that one out a little.
The tulip
Yeah. See, the tulips come towards the
end.
Towards the ends.
Yeah, yeah.
We have more of it. How many tulips do we have over there? This one's not bloomed yet. Kind of just, they can lay there for a second.
We're just going around and putting the tulips in around the front, towards the front of the bowl here.
Yeah. We're just going to lay there for a minute until I can get them. One more?
Not really one more.
Oh, I have one more. Here. Here. You know what else I'm going to need, Mom? The watering can. All right. Let's see how this is going to come out now. All right. So, we need some more dirt. And you don't have to water those very much.
Not at all.
Well, I think it would help if the dirt was a little bit more firm or like wet,
Yeah.
so it would help hold these.
You need to put some water in here. Not a lot.
They don't move.
Just dry. And the grass
It should-
sheen is adding a little
Just
bit.
a little bit.
A
I don't want
little
it
water.
because the water will it'll just kind of sit in the bowl.
Right, because there's no place for the water to go. There's no draining it. So she's adding a little bit of water to get them a little bit wet.
Yeah. Oh, and that watering can I got at an estate.
Maybe the grass will help hold
Yeah,
it.
and we're gonna put the grass around it too.
You know, add a little more dirt.
Yep, add more dirt. And some more of this dirt over here. You guys gotta tell us what you think when this is all done, and please be honest.
Yes.
If you think we're crazy and it doesn't look good, we wanna know. Because we've never done this before. I'm hoping it is something that will come out good. If it looks it now. I think we should have used different turn them brown. You want to take it out? My mom's being picky about the daffodils.
Yeah, you can just pull this out now.
Which one do you like? Yeah.
You switch things out. You can turn that. Yeah, which one? You just switch things out.
Switching it up. And then you can get hyacinths too. Oh yeah, you can do it hyacinths.
You can do hyacinths. I personally don't like how hyacinths smell, but
are they bad? No, they're excellent.
Oh, they're excellent. No, for some reason I don't like how they smell. They are beautiful. They are a very nice flower, but I personally don't like how they smell.
Like let go.
But that's just me.
Right. You might need a little bit more water for the daffodils if they're dry then, Mom.
Yeah. They've been in that other creation I had.
So this is my thrifted watering can. Isn't it lovely? I got it. Well, not thrifted, I guess. Well, thrifted. I don't know. It's from an estate sale. Yeah. It was sitting in their basement, and I was like, "Whew!" It was in there. It was kind of dirty. It was very dirty. But then I cleaned it up, and then I used a magic eraser and got like all the scratches off and stuff. So.
Yeah, magic eraser works good if you have scratches on.
I also heard barkeep will take scratches off of plates and stuff. I haven't tried it yet. Talk a little bit louder. I know. All right, let's see.
That looks good.
How's it looking? Yeah? Nice. Nice. All right, so then what we're going to do is we are going to take some of this green grass, Easter grass, and we're just going to place it around. It's all around in here. There's some dirt showing in the back.
Yeah, basically we're just covering up the dirt with the Easter grass.
Yeah. So it's a little bit more.
And that'll also hold up the flowers.
Yep. Oh, right there.
Well, I think we have just enough.
Okay.
The iridescent ones want to go.
Yeah. How do they use the shiny stuff on hers?
Yeah, they use the shiny. All right.
All right. And then,
how does that look?
Perfect. They're going to be really pretty tulips. They have the little white on them.
Yeah.
On them, so
then you can take your eggs.
Mm-hmm. And then you can just put little eggs in there, in the grass. Kind of spruce it up a little bit. More?
Yeah, I might turn the bag since there's not enough left in the floor.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's not much left.
Yeah, I have a box downstairs. You want that one? Yeah.
Oh, and then we have these guys.
Oh, that's right. So then we have these cute little picks that they picked up at Michael's. So we could pop one in there, and then one on the other side. Yeah. And, yeah. So there we go.
Oh, that's what I imagined.
Okay, well, there we go.
This was my imagination, or my thought in my head.
Are you able to zoom in on it? Can you give them a closer look at it? Got all the dirt on the table. Don't mind that dirt. No, that goes. Here we go. Oh, back up a little bit. That's not the top. Back up. Back up, back up, back up. There we go. So there it is.
I think that was nice.
Yeah. It'll be cute for the table. And then once they bloom and open, it'll look really nice. Yeah. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed our little DIY little tutorial. Thanks for joining us and trying it out with us. Like I said, we didn't know how it was going to come out, but we had some ideas. And yeah, I really like it. So we hope you like it too. And we hope you join us on Wednesday on YouTube. It's on Dee's channel, right?
It's on Dee's channel, the thrill of the thrift channel.
Yeah.
Dee. So we'll be on there with her Wednesday at 5 o'clock.
Wednesday at 5 o'clock, and we got lots of good stuff to bring to you during that show. So hope to see you then. Bye.
Bye bye.